Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Louise. Yeah, I'm just here doing my own thing, random beauty videos. We'll see what else comes out of my brain. But today I'm going to be doing a more of a like sunset inspired kind of look, just because daylight savings really has me messed up. I never know what time it is. After like 4 o'clock, I'm always like 2 hours off. So if it's 6, I think it's 8. Yesterday it was 7 o'clock and I thought it was 11. So yeah, and one person, I don't know, I think we're friends, I'm not sure, she hasn't confirmed or denied, was like, Louise, you could just check your phone or like whatever. And I was like, that's not the point. I just want to look outside and know like, oh, it's 7 o'clock. The sun's about to set. I never know. I'll just like leave my room and be like, oh my god. It's very confused. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm doing this sunset look, and also just because I want to do something fun, and these are colors that I love to use. So if you're interested in seeing how I accomplish this, just keep on watching. Okay, so I look scary now because I have my primer on, and I'm just going to start by using this flat brush, this kind of flat brush, and putting some orange in my crease. And you just kind of want it to be like a little, just right along the crease. And then I'm blending some pink in there underneath, just very snug. With a small blending brush, small fluffy brush, I'm going to add some yellow. To the very top. Yellow is a blessing and a curse for me because I really like that color, but I always have to build it up so much for it to show up. So this might take some time. Usually I will, as opposed to blending it in, I'll just like stamp it on, just because I found like it will show up more easily. And then with another flat brush, I'm going to use a purple shade and just follow along where the pink is. And for this, I'm using predominantly well, not predominantly, I am using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, because it's very, has a nice range of colors, and I just have it, so yeah, just make sure you blend that in. And if you want to go back with the pink, you know, you can, but otherwise this should be fine. So now with my NYX glitter primer, glitter glue, I'm gonna use a flat brush and just kind of make that halo shape. So I'm just gonna drop that in the center. We make your little tornado. You want it like more narrow towards the bottom. Same on this side. And you just kind of want to follow your crease, or you can make a new crease if you have like hooded eyes, or just like very little crease area. And with the purple that we were using earlier, just I always put it at the edges of like where I dropped the glue, just so you're able to like blend everything in more cohesively. So I'm going to use this purple shimmer that's close enough to the purple I was using. So it blends in. Here we go. Then with another flat brush, I'm just going to go in with a pink shimmer. Whenever I'm doing like a halo eye, I always like put like a strip of that color and then blend it in. So I'll just like drag it down, then blend that into the other. Put my orange in there, in the center, and blend it into the other colors I have. And with a really small, what's it called? With a really small flat brush, I'm going to basically use a yellow shimmer and just drop it in the center. And with this, you're kind of just going to mimic the shape you made when you were putting the glitter glue. A little tornado. And if any of the colors get lost, you can always just add some more of it. So it blends in a little bit more. Honestly, blending is a process, so you know, you're always going back and like fixing things or adding things. At least I do as I see fit. So like, if I want something to be a little bit more pigmented, definitely going back to add some more of the pink. You can add more pink if you're like, I'd rather have more orange, do that. I personally want some more orange. I'm just gonna blend that out into each other a little bit more. Okay, now that I've finished with that, I'm going to add a blue shimmer on my waterline. And just for like a fun pop of color. Ooh. While my lashes dry, I'm gonna deal with my lip color situation. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop little lipstick thing in the color Dukes. and the outside of my lip. I feel like I'm doing a lot of ombre lips. Maybe one day I'll do like one solid color, but won't be today. So yeah, the outside. Oh, it's vampy. Okay, and with this, ooh, oh my god, this MAC lipstick in the color, oh my god, I don't know what that is. Moxie, in the color Moxie. Just gonna drop that in there. Well, that's fun. If you want to add more, I'm gonna add more purple. I'm gonna put on my lashes first before they dry too quick. Okay, here is the final look. Okay, sorry, yeah, here's the final look. And yeah, it was really fun. I mean, I always love doing like sunset colors, like these kind of colors. So yeah, if you want to see something completely different or like more of this, please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.